Hi everyone. So while we're on the topic of champagne, I was going to teach you how to pour a glass of champagne. So champagne typically should be kept between 6 and 8 degrees Celsius, which is really quite cold. If you can't get it chilled to that temperature quickly, it's good to put it in an ice bucket and then sprinkle salt over the ice and add some water to dilute the ice as well, maximizing the surface area coverage to chill it faster. So you'll be presenting the bottle to the guests like so. Very rare they'll be sitting down and you'll be pouring it at a table. But you want to be holding the bottom third of the bottle, and it's a little outdated to stick your finger up the behind of the bottle. So this will enable you to have good control, and usually with a waiter's cloth as well. So hand behind back, always open service, and the trick is slow and steady. Avoid touching the glass as much as you can. The slower you go, the more you can pour. So that way you're only doing one pour at a time. Thank you.